Feel regal with the Uwell Crown 4 tank. This atomizer will have you looking and feeling like royalty. Don't want to wait to give your mod the red carpet treatment? Then hop on over to vapewild.com by checking the link at the top of the video. The Crown 4 is what happens when you marry visual elegance with functionality. First things first, the tank comes pre-installed with a 6mm bubble glass and has a spare 5mm straight glass. The tank has a twist to open top fill with 4 ports, so it's a cakewalk to refill. Now having said that, personal preference may come into play a little bit more as push to open and push button tanks have become more prevalent. I will say that the workmanship is still on point. No struggling to open or close. First off, replacing the coils is really easy. All you have to do is remove the base and pull. No screwing it in. Nice touch, Uwell. They do give you 2 stainless steel coils to get you started. One at 0.2 ohm with a range of 70 to 80 watts, and another at 0.4 ohm with a range of 60 to 70 watts. Now both performed deliciously and gave a great vape experience. In the end, the Crown 4 is another work of nobility by Uwell, and I dare sayeth you should pick one up today. Make haste! If you like these videos and you'd like to see more, be sure to subscribe to our channel. You won't regret it.